All right, hello, boys and girls. How are you doing? Mr. Swart here. We are going to be doing something different today for math. Instead of doing a lesson, we're going to do just some easy multi-step problems where we're going to have to multiply and add. So we're going to have to do more than one step to try to figure it out. Okay, I'm going to start kind of easy, um, and we're just going to go from there. We're just going to kind of make up problems as we go. Up here, I have a Word document. So I'm going to type out some problems. I'm just going to think of some problems here. And then I want you to think of how you're going to solve that problem, and then we're going to solve it together. Okay? So let's look at this first one. So this might be pretty easy for you. So we'll take a look at Sam over here. So Sam had 4 boxes of toys. Okay, that's our first step. We know that information. He has 4 boxes of toys. Now, each box had 6 toys. Later, Sam bought 3 more toys. How many toys did he have in total? Okay, so this looks like a tape diagram problem. So without me even getting into it, right, you can pause the video, you can fast forward in the video, you can do whatever you want. Right now, I want you to pause the video. Think about how you're going to make the tape diagram for this problem and see if you do it exactly how I'm going to do it. Okay, let's try this out. All right, so we had 4 boxes of toys. So when we make a tape diagram, let's make a horizontal line, right, from left to right. Now, vertical's up and down. We're not going to do that. We're going to do from left to right. So let's try to make that as equal as we can, okay? So, ooh, I like this. This is much more thick. I'm going to make it like this. So here's 1 box, but I'm going to make this into 4 boxes, right? And to make 4 parts, we have to make 3 lines, okay? So let's do that. We're going to do 1, not the best, 2, not so good either, and 3, oh, that's my best one so far. So we have 4 parts right here. So we got the first sentence down. Sam had four boxes of toys. Bam, got that down. Now, let's look at each box had 6 toys. So there's different ways to do this. You can put all your toys in each box. You can make 6 toys. They kind of look like 6 marbles. I guess they look like toys, just to represent what a toy would be. Or if you want to do it differently, right? If you can just do the math in your head, you can just put 6 in each one. Okay. So imagine if I put 6 here as well, right? We'll forget about the toys that we made. But it's good. If you want to draw all the toys in each box, you can do that. Okay. So if I have 4 boxes of 6, what is the multiplication equation to figure out what the total is? Okay. I want you to solve that right now. You pause it and we'll try to figure that out. So if you have 4 boxes of 6, you're going to be doing 4 times 6. And I hope you've been rehearsing your 4s, your 6s, your 5s, your 8s, all of your different multiples with this time off that we have, because they're very important. You still want to get that in your mind. You want to do that repetition on all those different numbers so you really get it down. Because in 4th grade, trust me, you're going to have a lot of multiplication that you're doing. Okay. So 4 times 6, or we can do 6 times 4, right? Same thing. 6, 12, 18, 24. And there we go. We got 24 toys. Okay, that's what he has right now. But we are not done yet. Okay, so we had the second sentence done. And now it says for the third sentence later, Sam bought 3 more toys. So you're going to be doing 24 toys. Okay, and he bought 3 more toys, right? So if he had 24 toys to begin with, and he buys 3 more, how many is he going to have? Very simple, right? We're just going to add 3. We're going to line it up vertically, okay? 24 toys plus 3 toys And always label your answer. So let's do 4 plus 3 first. They're doing the ones place. Okay, 4 plus 3, 5, 6, 7. Got it? Don't have to carry over because it's not at 10 or higher, right? We don't have to put a 1 over this 2. Okay, so we can just carry this 2 down over here. 2 plus nothing is 2. So as a total, he has 27 toys. Okay, and just to make it a little bit better, let's see if I can type something out. Let's do Sam has 27 toys all together. Bam. There you go. And you showed all your work. You got your tape diagram. You got 4 boxes of 6. You did 4 times 6. You showed your multiplication equation. And then you added. So you not only did you multiply, you added to get your answer. Great job. We're doing the next one. All right, so now we have the second problem here. In this problem, we're talking about Paul. Paul is our main character, right? We're all talking about Paul. So let's look at every single step we need in order to solve this problem, okay? Let's look at the first sentence. Paul earned $4 for every lawn he mowed, okay? If he mowed 7 lawns and he already had $9 saved up, how much money does he have total? Okay, there's a lot to think about here. Let's do it sentence by sentence, right? Let's look at the first sentence again. Paul earned $4, so let's just underline that. Well, okay, he earned $4 for every lawn he mowed, right? Next sentence, it says, if he mowed 7 lawns, okay, and he already had $9 saved up, how much money does he have in total? So let's just throw this 9 right here. This is what he has. This is what he has already. Okay, he already has $9. Okay, I'm gonna make my little cash sign. Not the best. Wow, that was really bad. Okay, so he has $9 already. So that's pretty good. He can buy some good stuff for that. So let's see how much he would make if he earned more. Okay, so we're gonna make a tape diagram again. Make a big rectangle. And I want you to pause the video and I want you to think of how you're going to make that tape diagram for $4 for each lawn that he mowed, right? If there's 7 lawns and he gets $4 for each lawn, how much money is he going to have? So I want you to pause this video and I want you to try the rest of that. And then we're going to keep going. Okay, let's see. So we know that there are 7 lawns. So if there's 7 parts of the tape diagram, we're going to have 1 less 6 lines, okay, to make those 7 lawns. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, not perfectly equal, but that's okay. We're showing our work as best as we can. Okay, so now you can put 4 dots in each lawn, technically, or you can just write a 4. So we can do $4 over here, $4 here, $4 here, in each box, okay, all the way to the very end, okay? We remember we have 7 total lawns here, okay? So what's my multiplication equation for getting my answer? What did I just do here? What times what to get my total? Okay, think about it. I think for the most part, you probably got it already. We're gonna be doing 4 times 7. Okay, and what is 4 times 7? It's the same thing as 7 times 4, right? And that's pretty easy. We know our 7s for sure. I know we know our 7s. Ready? 7, 14, 21, 28. Our answer is 28, okay? Let's write down 28. Now, this is where we really have to think here because he doesn't have a total of $28, right? How much money did he have already saved up? He had $9 saved up already. So imagine this. Imagine if you had $9 and you just earned 28 more dollars, what's your total going to be? Are you going to add? Are you going to subtract, multiply, divide? What are you going to do at this point in the problem? Okay? Think about it. Pause it if you have to, and we'll get right back into it. At this point, okay, we're just going to be simply adding 28 plus 9 to get our total amount of how much Paul has earned for that whole week, okay? So in this problem, we're still going to be carrying. Okay, we've been doing that plenty. Okay, so let's look at the ones place. We got 8 plus 9 over here. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so if we're going to carry, right, 17, the 1 goes down here. Back in the day, it used to be for parents, it used to be the 1 went up here, but now they want it down here on the equal side. Okay, so that 7 is going to go in the ones place, so 17. And then we carry over this 1 over here, so we have 2 plus 1 equals 3. Okay, so now we have to write out our answer. Okay, technically we got the right answer here, but it's best if you write out in a sentence what your answer is. Okay, I'm going to type that out real quick. We'll say Paul has $37 total. There you go. Okay, you read, you read, you draw, and then you write. And we did that perfectly. Let's try the third one. All right, and the third problem. Let's take a look at this one. So this problem is going to be dedicated to Haley P. in class. Her birthday is on April 13th, I believe. Hopefully I'm not wrong about that. I'll look that up. I'm pretty sure that's right. So almost Haley's birthday, very exciting. So let's see what Haley's getting into for this problem. So Haley's brother had 9 pieces of candy. Okay, all right, that's a big part of that. 9 pieces of candy. Haley had 8 boxes with 7 pieces each. How many pieces did they have total? Okay, well, we know for the first sentence, Haley's brother had 9 pieces. Okay, 9 pieces. Wow, this is hard, guys. Okay, 9 pieces. That is so bad. I got to redo that, huh? All right, is that a little better? Hopefully. Okay, hopefully you can read that one. Okay, now it says Haley had 8 boxes with 7 pieces each. So that looks like, to me, that looks like a tape diagram, right? We have 8 boxes, which means we have to make a big tape diagram with 7 lines to make 8 parts. And there's 7 pieces of candy in each part. So let's try to make that. So you can pause the video or you can just follow along with me. That's fine. Okay, so let's make it. We got a big tape diagram here, big rectangle going across the page here. Okay, and there's 8 boxes. So let's make 7 lines. Well, this part over here looks way bigger, but that's totally fine. Okay, and there's 7 pieces in each box. Okay, so we're gonna put 7 here, 7 here, and each box here, and we're pretty much counting by our 7s to get our total answer. So you can answer, what is 8 times 7? What is 8 times 7? And again, it's the same thing if you were to reverse it, 7 times 8. And we definitely know our 7s again, okay? So think about it, and I want you to put that down. And we got 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. So we know that Haley has 56 pieces of candy. I'm going to edit the pieces part because I know I can't write that very well. Voila, there we go. Now, we know Haley has, let's see, Haley has, we're going to write that for H. Haley has 56. And her brother, we're going to label that B, has 9. Okay. So what do we do here to find the total? What do you think? What do we do here to find the total? Pretty simple. There's a pattern for every single problem that we've been doing. We multiplied. Now we're probably going to add. Okay, so let's try to do that. 56 plus 9 over here. Okay, we're going to add the ones place first. We got 6 plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And if it's 15, if we're carrying over past 10, we have to do 1, 5. There we go. 1 goes in the tens place because we're carrying over because it's past 10. Okay, and we got the 5 in the ones place. So now we have 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So our answer is a total of 65 pieces of candy. Okay, and there you have it. We are going to be having a Zoom meeting this Friday at 12 o'clock. So hope to see you soon on Friday for a Zoom meeting, and we'll see you next time.